Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Afiq Benjamari. We are and from group 15. Right. So me and my teammates are going to present about our simulation assignment, which is the question asked to construct and simulate a 50 hertz single phase full bridge inverter with SPWM control techniques. Okay. Next is the question states the DC supply, which is Vs is equals to 100 voltage, and the semiconductor power device that are being used to construct the circuits are ideal IGBT, and the AC loads are only using resistive loads, which is 25 ohms. Okay, the type of the carrier signals are unipolar, that will generate a W-shaped triangular, and the amplitude are 150% of the DC supply. Switching frequency need to be set to 1 kilohertz. The demolition index are given 0.75. And the switching rules, which is when VR is more than VC, the PWM will be set to 1. And when VR is less than VC, the PWM will be switched to 0. Okay, so this is the, as you can see, this is the circuits that we have been that have been constructed. All right, so first the simulation control need to be set. Okay, the time step is 4 exponent exponent negative 6, and the total time are 0.5, which refers to 50 hertz. Okay. So next, the sinusoidal voltage reference VR are set to 86.25 voltage with 50 hertz. Right, the value of VR we can get from the modulation index formula, which is M equals to VR over VC. Okay, so the modulation index are 0.75, and the value of VR is 86.25 volts. Okay, so the VC you can get from the DC supply, which is, as you can see, the amplitude tells that 115% of the VC of the voltage supply are VC. Okay, so from that you can get 115 volt 150 volt for VC with 1 kilohertz of frequency, and the VR are 86.25 with 50 frequencies. Okay, so next I pass to Muhammad Afizi for the simulation result.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afizi bin Anwar. Okay, by answering, first of all, the question in A asks to find the waveform of VR1 and VC at positive half cycle. Okay, by running the simulation, first, we need to select VC and VR only for display. Then it will generate full cycle waveform, but what the question want is only at positive half cycle waveform. So what we need to do is we need to set the range of for the half cycle waveform only positive side. So the range is between 0 to 0.1 or 0 to pi. And then for question B, we want to see the V out or PWM waveform. based on question A. Okay. What we need to do is we need to open the new windows for display the waveform. After that, by running the simulation, the waveform that show is the full waveform. So by answering this question, the range that we need to set is 0 is between 0 to 0.01 or 0 to pi. So that is the result that I get from the running simulation. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nasrafi and I will be given the answer for question C. Okay, the task given for us to find the signal of waveform for VR2 and VC, which is reference signal and carrier signal. Okay, for the first step is by click VR2 and VC, we need to adjust VC. After click, it will generate full length full length waveform with a one cycle that consists VR2 and VC. Okay, we need to what the question one is the negative half cycle. So what we need to do is adjust the range for negative half cycle between for 0.01 to 0.02 between pi to 2 pi. Okay, by adjust it exists, we get the result. Okay, for the question D, what we need to know the PWM. We need to look. We need to get PWM get from V out, V out, V output, VO. Okay. We as the PWM, we refer to question C. Okay, we need to just like question C, we need to adjust the axis lah. Okay, that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Saiful Anwar. For question 1F, harmonic spectrum for output voltage can be performed through FFT analysis. To set up our FFT analysis, we use linear scale and we also select the range for axis from 0 to 2.5 kilohertz for the frequency. And we can display out the harmonic spectrum for V out. that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for conclusion, okay, based on the simulation assignment, we can conclude that um, we managed to construct and stimulate the program referring to the detail that are given in the questions, and we managed to get the result based on the question, based and answering the questions. Yes. So that's all from group 15. Thank you very much.